PrizePicks Withdrawal failed or not working. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix if your PrizePicks withdrawal is not working or it's failing. But before we begin, make sure to hit the like button on the video and subscribe to the channel. So if you're trying to make any withdrawal and it says that the withdrawal is failed, here is a quick guide on how you can fix it. So the very first step you need to do is to verify your account. So go to the PrizePicks website or open the app and then just make sure that your PrizePicks account is fully updated and verified. Complete your profile with your name, address, and date of birth. And if needed, you can upload a government issued ID to proof as a proof of your address. So once you have done that, the second method is to actually check your payment method. You just have to double check your withdrawal details and ensure that your bank account or PayPal information is accurate. And if you're using a prepaid card, confirm that it's compatible with the PrizePicks terms and conditions. Now, the next step is to actually handle your failed withdrawals. So if your withdrawal is marked as failed, the first thing you need to do is go to the withdrawal history in the app and check the status. Then you have to cancel the request and try again. You have to ensure the amount meets the minimum requirement of the withdrawal limit. That is, I believe, it's usually $25. And once you have done all of that, you should be able to fix the problem. But if it's still not fixing the issue, the first thing you need to do now is head over to Play Store and search for PrizePicks. And once you do that, if this is available on your region, you just have to make sure to update the app. And if you're using the web version, then you will have to contact the support as your last resort. If nothing works, just reach out to PrizePicks support via their in-app chat or email. And their email is support@prizepicks.com. Then you just have to share your account details there and any of the issue that you're facing. And you can also include screenshots if possible. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.